the morning.
Show your tractors now. What kind's that?
Red.
Mm-mm.
I don't know.
Say case, I-H.
KJS.
What's the other one?
I don't know.
John Deere.
Jenny.
Which one's your favorite?
Two of these ones.
If you had to pick one, which one would you pick?
This one.
Are you for real? Almost everything we own is John Deere, and you pick I-H tractor? There's no hope for you.
Oh. Oh.
What else have you got down there?
Hmm?
Show them your animals.
Horsey. Ducks. Cow.
You know you don't have to go that close to the camera, right?
Pig.
What else have you got down there? Show them guys.
Why? I want to.
What's the matter with your eye? You got something in your eye. Can I see? Can I see?
What's hurting me?
It's hurting you? Let's see what you got. Here, look at Mama. Look at me. Open your eye. I don't see anything. Okay. Ready?
I'm drink.
Back up from my computer, because if you spilled it on my laptop, you're going to have one unhappy mother. Chug a lugga.
Mm.
Mmm. I love you. There's water in your mouth, isn't there? Swallow it. Swallow it. I don't want it on my computer.
Hi, Radio. I'm all done.
You all done? Can you say bye?
Bye bye.
Say adios, amigos.
Adios.